George with Wicked Warnings. Let me tell you about this build. What we've got here is a brand new Cadillac CT6. It belongs to a funeral home and does funeral processions. So it's the blocker car, the lead car, the intersection clear. We've got some TIR 3s that I custom made a mount for up in the dashboard. Client had supplied some older lighting that we reused. We've also got our thin X's in white on the lower bumper, as well as our LIN-6 on the license plate in purple. Those are both Wicked Warnings exclusive lights. That's the thin X on the lower bumper and the LIN-6 on the front license plate. We alternated the LIN-6s on the plate, and we chose the split pattern for the thin X to just keep that light extra flashing and moving quick on the corners there. There you are, a little bit farther down the road. Here you can really see how that thin X performs on the bumper edge there. It's got a little bit of an angle to it. That way if the car's a little off kilter in the intersection, you'll be warning all around 180 degrees in the front. Out back we've got a couple of those client supplied lights in the back upper windows, as well as stood up in the back window. We were reusing a little lighting here, so it ended up working out very nicely. Out back you can see here we've got those client supplied lights stood up in the back window, alternating. There's another shot of it from the front angle there. This is what most of the traffic would be seeing. Inside the vehicle here we had a little cubby hole from Cadillac that we took advantage of, and we just put a quick ABS panel in there and a lighted rocker switch right here to the left of the wheel. That way we didn't have to drill any holes in the dashboard. We actually took the wiring from the back and drilled a small hole up, and was able to make it so when you take the switch out later, you will not see anything on the inside of there. Basically, you can't see the hole in the back there. I'll show you the lighting in the back here. Out back you can see we've got some of those client supplied lights in the back deck and on the back opera windows as well in this beautiful new Cadillac. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Get a hold of us. Send us an email at info@wickedwarnings.com. Check out our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Post a comment. Throw a like. Make sure pass this on to your friends as well. Thanks again for watching. Take it easy.